Good morning. Today is March 31st, 2025, last day of March today. And I took an L on this last day, which was kind of a bummer, but also it was such a fast, like, I had to think so quick on this trade because I was just. Okay, let me just go over why I had to go, like, I had to think fast on this trade. So, as you see, we tapped this demand right here. It was high probability demand. We have a gap. We have a break of structure. We are also on a double bottom. So I'm not looking for sells. But the only thing is we are so high up. Like gold has just been so high that I feel like it is risky to buy. Like it really is because look what's happening. Like gold is just dropping. If you sold up here, you're making money. Like you're eating right now. So for me, I was not confident to sell right here. Like I know there was a 13 EMA breakout right here, but I was like, nah, like I'm not selling. I don't feel confident in sells, especially because the higher time frame was very bullish at the time. I was just at the end of the day, like I'm going with the trend. We have a double bottom, so once we tap this demand right here, the rejection was really nice too. I was like, that is a beautiful rejection. Like why, I'm gonna consider buys. But I was going to wait. I waited after we were above the EMAs for me to buy because I'm not going to buy if we're like around here at the break of candle. I could have bought right here, but I was like, nah, like I'm gonna stop loss would have been a little bit big too. So I bought right here and I was in a small profit, but not for long. And then it hit my stop loss. Stop loss was little, 2.7 ticks, but this was like a 60. I lost $60.64, and this is so I've lost on 3 Mondays this month already. So Mondays are just not that great either. I did go on small risk too because it is the beginning of the week, so I'm like, I'm not gonna start with a big risk. I only put in one contract and I am up for the month. Today's the last day, like I said, so I'm up $73.43, which I'm still very proud of myself for doing that because I'm not down and I'm not at like a break even. I'm actually just like very in the green for me as like my account is very small. But yeah, it does feel kind of like every time I lose, I'm just like, but I have to really like get over that emotion because I don't want to feel like this. But then again, I think the reason why I feel this way, if I'm going to be honest, is because I did see this supply right here. I was looking at the supply right here that we hit, and I had got in like right here. Once it hit it, I was like, like I know there's a supply, and I know there's a chance that it can hit from the supply because we have like a mini break of structure from the supply, and like we're so high up. But I just, yeah, I didn't really, I should have skipped on this trade if I'm going to be honest. I should have just been like, you know what, let me see this trade play out because we are at this supply. And usually I hate trading against, when I'm buying and I hit a supply, I just don't like trading towards that. Or if I'm selling and I'm hitting a demand, it's just like not ideal for me to do that. But today I was like, I'm taking a chance on it since I just seen like the confluences, the double bottom, the the demand right here, the gap filled in, rejection, boom. EMA is up below where I got in, so I was like, okay. So that is it. This was mostly like a 5 minute thing. The higher time frame was just like very bullish, so there was nothing really there. But on the 1 minute, we did hit, I think, oh, we didn't. I thought we hit this little supply right here, but we haven't. But yeah, I wasn't paying attention to the 1 minute at all though. I just like remember just like seeing it for a second and then just like it was like, oh, there's a supply right here, so that's something that. Anyways, yeah, that is it for today. I am done trading. I'm not taking another trade. I am gonna get off the charts and I'm going to start my day. It's a new month tomorrow, so my goal for next month is to just end again in the green. Like that's literally just my goal for the month. Like I don't like losing sucks, of course, but as long as like you do end green on the month, I think that's what really just like feels good, knowing that, because January it was like I was in the red, February I was in the green, and March in the green. So that just makes me so happy already. Yeah, that is it for today though. I hope you guys made some money, and if not, that's okay, because same. And we have a new month, so you know, new opportunities to make money in the markets this month. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day, stay safe, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow maybe if I decide to take a trade or not. But okay, bye.